Brake side, you'll need the same wrench and Allen key, but you'll also need a 4M Allen key and a 3/4 inch socket wrench, or you could also use an adjustable wrench that opens that wide. First things first, you're going to release all the brakes. You have a drum brake anchor screw, and you're going to remove the brake arm, place the trolley wheel component, and then put the brake arm back on in a slightly different order. So first, take this off. You'll use the 4M Allen key to release the brake cable. This is already loose for me, but you'll take the drum brake arm off. And then with the socket wrench, loosen the axle nut so that it's easier to place the trolley wheel component. Okay. You just put this on here, get it on there. At this point, you could reattach the wheel. It's up to you. And got the longer drum brake screw that has the lock washer and the washers. Just put it in there. And then with this in place, you're going to do a slightly different order where you have a large washer that you put on. And then the brake arm. And then your wheel washer. And then you'll put the nut on backwards, so the ring part is facing in. And you'll find that if this is too tight, then your brake cable won't actually release all the way back up. So you want to make sure you have the full thing there. And then after that, you just put your brake back on, make sure your brakes are correct, and pop the wheel back on.